Integration errors on Outseta can be frustrating, but they can often be resolved quickly with the right steps. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix these issues effectively. Step 1. Identify the error. Check the error message you are receiving. Understanding the specific integration error will help you determine the next steps. Look for any error codes or descriptions that can provide insight into the problem. Step 2. Review API keys. Ensure that your API keys are correctly entered in the Outseta settings. Double check for any typos or missing characters. If necessary, regenerate your API keys and update them in your integration settings. Step 3. Check integration settings. Go through the integration settings in Outseta and confirm that all required fields are filled out correctly. Make sure that any necessary permissions or configurations are enabled for the integration to function properly. Step 4. Test the connection. Use the build and testing tools provided by Outseta to test the connection with the integrated service. This will help you identify if the issue lies within the connection itself or if it is related to the data being sent or received. Step 5. Consult documentation and support. If the issue persists, refer to the Outseta documentation for troubleshooting tips related to your specific integration. If you still continue to resolve the error, reach out to Outseta support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve integration errors on Outseta. Don't hesitate to revisit the documentation or seek help if needed.